KG Egy Word-List Maker installation process. 1. Locate the compressed setup file, typically named KG Egy Word-List Maker setup link to .rar. 2. Right-click on this link to .rar file and choose an option to extract its contents, such as Extract here. 3. Once extracted, find the executable setup file, which will likely have a green icon and a name similar to KG Egy Word-List Maker setup link to .x. Double-click this file to begin the installation. 4. A Setup KG Egy Word-List Maker version 1.0 window will appear displaying a license agreement. Read through the agreement. 5. To proceed with the installation, select the option, I accept the agreement. 6. Click the Next greater than button. 7. A Ready to install screen will appear, indicating that the setup is prepared to begin. Click the Install button. 8. Once the installation is complete, a screen titled Completing the KG Egy Word-List Maker Setup Wizard will be displayed. Click the Finish button to close the setup wizard. 9. A shortcut for the application, labeled KG Egy Lists Maker, will be created on your desktop. You can use this shortcut to launch the program. KG Egy List, your word list creator. KG Egy List is a helpful computer program designed to turn any regular text, like a paragraph, an article, or a long passage, into a neat list where each word gets its own line. You give it a text file, and it does all the work to process and organize the words for you. Let's walk through how to use KG Egy List step by step. Step 1. Pick your text file. This is the very first thing you do in KG Egy List. You tell the program which document you want it to read and make a word list from. What to do? 1. Click the button that says, Browse for file. 2. A window will pop up. Find your text file, usually a link to .txt file, on your computer and click on it to select it. 3. Once selected, you'll see the name of your file, like New Text Document Link to .txt, appear on the screen, confirming you've picked it. Ready for next? After your file is chosen, you can move on to Step 2. Step 2. Choose how you want your list. In this part of KG Egy List, you get to decide how the words in your list will be organized and what extra details you want to see. How to sort the words. Sort by frequency. If you pick this, the words that appear most often in your text will be at the top of the list, and less common words will be lower down. Sort alphabetically. If you pick this, which is usually the default, the words will be listed in ABC order. What extra info can you add? You can check these boxes if you want them. Include index. This will put a number next to each word, like 1. Hello. 2. World. Include frequency. This will show you how many times each word appeared in your text. Include percentage. This will show you what percentage of all the words in your text a specific word makes up. Ready for next? Once you've made your choices, go to Step 3. Step 3. Let KG Egy List do the work. This is where KG Egy List actually processes your text. You'll see its progress here. What to do? 1. Click the Start button. This tells KG Egy List to begin reading your file and creating the list based on your settings. 2. You'll see a green bar, the progress bar, start to fill up, showing how much of the work is done. 3. Also, below the bar, you'll see Current Status, Complete, Number. When it says Complete, your word list is ready. For example, Complete 107 inches means it finished processing and perhaps found 107 items. 4. If you need to stop the process for any reason, you can click Cancel. Ready for next? Once it's complete, you can head over to Step 4. Step 4. See and save your list. Now that KG Egy List has processed everything, you can look at the word list it made and save it to your computer. What you see? A big white box will show you the entire word list KG Egy List generated. You can scroll through it to review all the words. How to save it? Save results to file button. Click this when you're ready to save your list. How the file will look. File options. Tab. If you pick this, each piece of information, word, frequency, etc., will be separated by a tab space in the saved file. This is good for opening in spreadsheets. Fixed width. If you pick this, often the default, the columns will line up neatly using spaces, making it easy to read directly in a simple text editor. Include headers. Checkbox. If you check this, the very first line of your saved file will explain what each column is, like word, frequency. What to do? 1. Look at your word list in the white box. 2. Choose how you want your saved file to be formatted, tab, or fixed width. 3. Decide if you want, include headers. 4. Click the Save Results to File button. A window will pop up asking you where you want to save the file and what you want to name it. 5. Save your new word list file. You're done! You've successfully used KG Egy List. About. This tab in KG Egy List simply gives you some information about the program itself, like who repacked or created it. What it says, repacked by Mr. Amer Asran. That's it. KG Egy List makes it very simple to get word lists from any text file you have.